Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Bitmart application on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Bitmart application on your iPhone, go and tap open your app store. Bring up the search button by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right hand corner, and in the search bar appearing at the top, type in Bitmart. Perform your search, and once you find the application that says Bitmart buy Bitcoin and crypto, tap the get button to begin the downloading process. Now, wait until the application gets downloaded on your iPhone. Once it does, tap the open button to launch the app open. That's how you can easily download Bitmart application for your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.